Coralba, our public schools district supervisor, Mr. Jesse De Apostol, equally active leaders, beloved teachers, loving parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is a very remarkable day, our graduation day. The day we've been longing for is now in our midst, and it is a distinct honor and rare privilege to welcome one and all to our 2010 graduation rites and moving and ceremonies. To welcome your presence today is of great significance to us, for it signifies your endless love and deep concern for our welfare. For without you, this occasion would be meaningless. We, the members of the graduating class of Virgen Milagrosa Elementary School, school year 2009-2010, are extremely in our happiest moment, witnessing a caravan of responsible parents sharing their very precious time in honoring this significant occasion. This is manifestation of your deep love, guidance, and care for your children's moral, spiritual, and educational welfare. Our dear parents, you make us great at this very moment in our lives. Because of your deep concern, we will strive hard to prove to you that your sacrifices are not in vain. You are God-given inspiration to hit the hallmark of success. And for this very reason, we owe you a lot. Again, at this very moment, I reiterate, you're all welcome to this occasion as we celebrate our victory in the first phase of our educational ladder. May a short stay with us. Be blessed, be pleasant and meaningful. Finally, welcome everyone. Welcome one and all, and God bless you. I thank you.
Our beloved principal, Mrs. Ofelia Fernandez, as class advisor, I have the honor to present to you 6 boys and 10 girls. A total of 16 pupils this school year 2009-2010. They have satisfactorily completed prescribed by the Department of Education, Bureau of Elementary Education, under the Basic Education Curriculum. I hereby request for your petition.
Our respected Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Jesse D. Apostol, as Principal of Virgen Milagrosa Elementary School, and in my capacity as such, I certify that the 6 boys and 10 girls with a total of 16 candidates for graduation of Virgen Milagrosa Elementary School this school year 2009-2010 have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation prescribed by the Bureau of Elementary Education. I therefore petition for the confirmation of their graduation on this 30th day of March 2010 with all the rights, privileges, as well as duties and responsibilities thereunto appertaining.
As you were presented by your advisor, Mrs. Aguinaldo and Mrs. Tacras, and as being certified that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Bureau of basic education curriculum as being certified and also petitioned by your principal, Madam Ofelia Fernandez, by the power vested in me as your district supervisor through our schools division superintendent, Madam Cecilia Pasis Aribobo of the division office of Logos Norte. I therefore confirm your graduation with all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations. Congratulations once more. And then turn your tassel to the right. Karnawan. And then shout to the world, you are now graduates of Virgen Milagrosa Elementary School, year 2010.
Our principal, Mrs. Ofelia A. Fernandez, as the advisor of pre-elementary, I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation of